Rextonians, and welcome to the Rextonian YouTube channel. I'm Kyo, and today I'm gonna speak about the mass airflow sensor, which is this one here. Is directly connected to the filter casing. So to get to it, you first have to remove the intercooler pipe, which comes here. The intercooler is missing, but this is connected here with this bracket. You're just gonna have to take this one out. Then, for the ease of this video, I'm going to take the other side, the other half out also, and expose the turbo. But for safety, when you're working with the exposed turbo, you just need to plug something in so you don't get any dirt or parts that you're not aware in, and then when you start the car, it's going to break up the turbo. Then we're going to take the air intake of the turbo out. And again, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna remove it. Don't you hate it when that's happened? When you watch a video, it's the guy in the video takes everything apart so easily, but when you do it, it's, oh my god, it's a nightmare. Well, don't worry about it. I was angry about that too, so that's why I did it before I do this video. So the sensor is held on the casing by two 10mm screws. This you can open with a key, with a wrench, or with I call it a cross screwdriver, because it also has the cross on the head. So this is held by two of these bolts. It's one here and one on the opposite side under here. Once you take the tubes, you can easily get to it from this side like this. I already took it out, but I'm gonna show it to you. Of course, before you take the screws out, you have to take the electrical connection, put it aside. Eventually, what happens with this when this goes bad is your car is gonna lack power, it's gonna rich on fuel, and it's gonna smoke a little bit. Maybe the engine light is gonna come on. So to see if this one is actually at fault, and you're not sure, you just take out the connection. And if the car the car doesn't change, if nothing changes with the car, or even if it improves, then that means this is bad. So this is how it looks like. This goes inside the filter, and this side is actually the sensor. It has inside here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Let's see, like that. It has a small wire with the resistance over there. That's the actual sensor. Before you change this sensor, you might want to clean it first. So you just take some carburetor cleaner and spray inside, leave it dry for 10 minutes. Then you plug it in back and start the car and see if you notice any change. That might fix your problem, because this is a very expensive part if you buy it original. And actually this one is connected to the pressure sensor on the intake, because they both regulate the mixture between turbo pressure, air intake, and fuel ratio. So if any of these two go bad, or both of them, you're gonna have a mess on your hands by running the car. But it's a simple fix. And the thing is that it's not necessarily both that need to go wrong. If this one goes wrong, it can throw off the reading on this. If the boost pressure sensor goes wrong, it can throw off the readings on the MAF sensor, which will indicate an error. So you're gonna get error on both of them, but it's not necessarily both of them broken. So as usual, I'm gonna put the part number in the description. This is a original Bosch. So yeah, that's it for now. If you find these videos helpful, thumbs up if you want to, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I upload new videos. That being said, see you in the next one. Bye.